Hey friends, if you encounter the error X3DAudio1 7DLL missing or not found, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the main resolution is to simply install DirectX. Why? Because this certain DLL file is missing and it's not associated with any application. It is a genuine Windows file. So if a genuine Windows file is missing or corrupt, then the main solution is an SFC scan. But before that, we can simply replace the file. So we can install DirectX. Now open your browser and search for DirectX here, and then go to the DirectX website. Click on download here, click on open, and then select I accept the agreement. Next. Okay, I won't install the Bing bar. Next, and let it install all the components. This is the main solution. This is what will solve the problem in 90% of the cases. But if it does not, then try an SFC scan and it will need a very long time. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.